Public speaking can be nerve-wracking. I know that whenever I have to give a presentation, I feel my heart start to pound. My hands get cold, and sometimes my mind just goes completely blank. My body tells me to escape, even though I know I need to push through. But over time, I've learned some ways to manage that anxiety and feel more in control when I speak. I want to share my personal experiences with presentation anxiety and a few things that I personally have done that help me handle it better. I experience presentation anxiety when I know I must present, and my body reacts almost immediately. I start to feel tense, and my brain starts thinking of all the ways that I can mess up. And sometimes I just talk too fast, or I avoid looking at the audience because I don't want to see their reactions. And these reactions made my presentation worse, not better. So I had to find ways to work through them instead of letting my nerves take over. There are a few things that I have done that have helped me feel more comfortable speaking. One thing that I use are deep breathing tactics. I personally use the 4-7-8 technique. I breathe for 4 seconds, then hold it for 7, and then exhale slowly for 8. This helps slow my heart rate and prevent me from feeling overwhelmed. I also practice what I'm going to say. The more that I review what I need to say, the more confident I feel. I have to record myself to hear how I sound and make adjustments from that. It also helps me get used to how the words feel when they come out of my mouth. I also reframe nervousness as excitement. Instead of thinking, I'm so anxious about this, I tell myself, I'm excited about this, which helps me shift my mindset. Finally, I always consider body language and pacing. I remind myself to slow down, pause, and make eye contact. Even if I feel nervous, acting more confidently makes me feel more in control. And at the end of the day, some nerves are normal, but instead of letting them take over, I've learned to use strategies like deep breathing, practice, and reframing my mindset to manage them. So, if you ever feel nervous before a presentation, just remember there are ways to work through it. And the more you practice to find what works, the easier it gets.